Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn about how to download Metamask on your Android device. But before jumping into our video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our downloading process. Firstly, check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If yes, then open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, in the search bar, type Metamask and press the search button. Then right beside your result, there will be a green install button. Press over there. Then your downloading process will be started. To learn more about this application, go inside and find an area where it is written about this app. There you can learn more about this application, all its features, app information and everything. After waiting a while, your application will be successfully installed and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.